Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Versys 650. This is an ABS model, adventure sport, great for commuting, twin cylinder 650, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's also got the top case. This is a great commuter bike, only 10,500 miles, brand new tires. Come on by. Make your mid-weight adventure touring bike dreams come true for just $69.99. Beautiful satin, silver finish. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.